Over time, rocks and road debris can really damage the paint on your truck, so today we're going to protect our 2015 Ram with some Husky Liners rear mudguards. These are Husky Liners rear mudguards for your 2009 to 18 Ram without the factory fender flares. They were made right here in the USA of impact-resistant and all-weather thermoplastic material to give your truck some much-needed protection and a custom look. They feature full tread coverage for maximum protection, and they easily install for an OEM look. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. These mudguards are super easy to install. What we need to do for our 15 Ram is remove this factory guard right here. On the bottom of the guard, there's two T20 Torx screws that need to be removed. On the bottom of this guard, there's two plastic clips with T20 Torx screws inserts. Sometimes it can be really hard to remove, so sometimes a flathead screwdriver makes it easier. Then there's two 8mm screws on the front of this guard. And once you get both screws out, the guard can be removed. With our mud guard off, we're going to clean this area real good. The next step to add some protection to your paint, you're going to peel this protective film off and stick it on the paint right here, and it'll be nice and invisible. We're now going to install the mud guard with the two factory screws in the factory locations. Okay, you don't need to fully tighten the screws all the way just yet, but make sure you get the mud guard nicely aligned. And now we have to drill a hole right here through the fender liner so we can add another screw. Grab an 1/8 inch drill bit and drill through the hole that's already in the mud guard through your fender liner. Now you can pull the mud guard off. Take the provided screw and place it through your mud guard and start to thread it into the hole that you just drilled. Put your hand on the back side of the hole. Once this screw starts to come through the other side of this fender liner, you're going to place this U-clip on the back of the screw, acting as a nut. Then just continue to tighten the screw. Once you get this screw nice and tight, you can reinstall the factory screws. Then you can put your wheel back on, repeat the same process for the other side, and you're done. Okay, we got our Husky Liners rear mudguards installed on our 2015 Ram, and as you can see, they do stick out past the factory tires, so they're going to offer a lot more protection for this truck, and they give it a nice custom look too. Installing them is super easy. You will have to remove the rear wheel. Probably takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do it, and before you know it, you'll be heading off road.